Hello and welcome back to ESL DRILL English Lessons. I am MNB Achari. In today's video, we are learning how to express wishes about the present using this structure. I wish plus simple past tense. Now, let's break it down with the meaning, structure, and examples. Let's go. You see, we all have moments when we feel something about the present is not quite right. Maybe you want to be taller, richer, and you want to be more confident, or just you want to be on a holiday trip instead of getting stuck in traffic. To talk about these unreal or imaginary situations in the present, we use I wish plus simple past tense structure. Let's look at an example. I wish I were taller. You say this. This means I'm not tall now, but I want to be tall or taller. Now let's discuss this structure. I wish plus subject plus past tense verb. Even though it looks like past tense, we are actually using it to talk about the present. I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. The meaning is I don't have a car now. Now let's look at another example. I wish I knew her name. I wish I knew her name. The meaning is I don't know her name now. And look at the next one. I wish it were summer. The meaning is it's not summer now, but I want it to be summer. And yes, when the subject is I, he, she, or it, we often say were instead of was in formal English. Formal English. I wish I were rich. That is correct formal English. But you often hear I wish I was rich in informal situations. Let's see how this works in everyday life. Now, I wish I were good at math. I wish I were good at math. The meaning is I am not good at math, but I want to be. Understand? And another example. I wish I were on vacation. Means I am not on vacation. Maybe I am stuck at work. I'm busy with work. All these examples show something that is not true right now, but you want it to be true. Now, let's clear up some common mistakes. Let's look at the first one. I wish I have a bike. I wish I have a bike. This is wrong. You should say, I wish I had a bike. Had, simple past tense. Next one. I wish I am tall. No, I wish I were tall. Past form of am. Next, remember, use simple past even though you are talking about the present tense. And yes, use were instead of was when you are being grammatically correct. And if you want to be informal, you can use was accordingly. All right, let's practice. I'll say a situation and you try to say the correct wish. Don't forget to use the correct structure and the tense. 1. You don't have a smartphone. Say your turn. I wish I had a smartphone. Right. You are not at the beach. You are in class. Of course, you should say, I wish I were at the beach. Next, you can't speak French. I wish I could speak French. Now, let's wrap up this video. So, remember to use I wish plus simple past to talk about present regrets or unreal situations. Use were rich, I, he, she, and it in formal English. Use this structure to express how you feel about things right now, not past tense. Now it is your turn. Write one sentence in the comment section using I wish, and I'll read the comments and correct your sentences if necessary. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ESL Drill English Lessons for more grammar and speaking tips. Is there anything else? Nothing. See you soon. Keep practicing and keep smiling. See you in my next video.